This is a very simple idea for a spinner. This is my bearing which I got out of one of the roller skates. Now this one has this lip on, so it's quite good because I don't have to stick anything there or anything there. I can just hold it like that and spin it. Doesn't spin very good, but still. And these are out of another bearing which my friend of mine got for me, and I'm just thinking of sticking them like that with the glue gun. But what I intend to do is also maybe put super glue on there. So let's see how that works. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this bearing like that, but it's not high enough. So I'm going to raise it up a touch by putting this between there, putting the bearings on top like that. See how that works. Okay, what I think I'm going to do is just glue this down a little bit so it doesn't keep moving around for me. Just like that. That was hot. Okay. I'm hoping that's stuck on. What I'd like to do now, oh no, it didn't stick properly.
That one didn't stick, so I'll just maybe move the bearing on the side here. Oh.
The way of doing it, I think. Don't forget, this is the first time I'm doing this, and it's an idea I just thought I'd try out. That was a better way of doing that, so I think I might redo this one again.
There.
What I intend to do now is glue it, super glue it a bit. So I'll take this off here, take these things off here, and see how straight they are. Super glue it and try the spinner. I think it should work if I super glue it. I think I need 2 hands to do it. There you go. Okay, I'm going to try and super glue it, but it's not easy. And the other idea I'm thinking of, maybe I should put a card between there and super glue it anyway, without the glue there, with the glue gun. So let's see if it works. But be careful, you don't want to get it into obviously the bearing, otherwise that's it. I just dabbed it there. I'm keeping it that way because I don't want to get in the bearing obviously. Once that's a little bit dry, I'm going to obviously do this side here and see how that works. In fact, I can do this now. I can just put it to the sideways. I don't have to hold on to it. If this doesn't work, the other idea I'm going to do is put it, take these off and put a card between there, very small, and super glue the card against this, and then finally put the glue gun on it and see how that works. I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to put a little bit more glue on it just to get it. Well, there it is. I put a bit of super glue on, I put a bit more glue gun on, and That's your spinner. Looks good. Enjoy. I can't seem to spin it with one hand because it's a bit small, as they do. I suppose you could get used to it. I can do it with two hands. Thank you for watching. Hello again, this is 2 days later and I've had a little test run with this and it's going quite good. I thought it might break easily, but it hasn't. It's very strong indeed. I've dropped it a few times, so yes, this is a good one. So I said put a cardboard between there. You don't have to, just make it like I did. I put a little bit of glue and I put super glue around there and that's it. The other thing I found, because this bearing is like this, don't know why, there you go. The other thing I found is that you could do that as well. And it's quite fun, really. Like I said, I have to use 2 hands because it's quite small as well. On second thoughts, I was thinking maybe I should have taken these roller bearings and put them that way around and it would have made it longer. I should have done that, but never mind. What's done is done. Enjoy. I have. Thank you.